Arms. The chest area needs more support to hold the mesh. Let me add some more Z-spheres at the chest area. Oops, I forgot to unbind mesh. Go under rigging, then click on bind mesh. Remember to unbind mesh after binding to edit Z-spheres. Alternate tap on joint to delete the Z-sphere added before unbinding mesh. Click again to add a joint between the chest. Press X for symmetry, Shift to snap, W to move. Move backwards to create a cage-like rib. Press Q, add more joints until a rib is formed. Press R to rotate, and now raising the arms shouldn't affect the body. Wrong joint. The shoulder joint looks more natural. Lightly tap to select either to rotate the joint or to rotate the chain.